So I bought a rechargeable electric air pump off of Amazon. They wanted something small they could recharge to bring on the boat to blow up like inflatable rafts and stuff like that. So I bought this and a little box it show you what comes in the kit. So it comes with this wire right here to plug it and charge it. So this air pump comes with a USB cord and you can plug it right into like any kind of a USB outlet. And I'm going to charge it up right now. Alright, so I'm on my boat and I've got my air pump, and it comes with a bunch of attachments. And what it does is that these attachments have like a little groove in there, and inside you kind of twist and lock it in. And I'm going to use this attachment to blow up the float that I have right here. Here's my charging wire, and it comes with like a few different attachments. Here's the one, it comes with 4 of them. This is a nice rechargeable air pump to keep on the boat. They have a power thing on my boat that I can recharge the pump on if I had to. So this is a pretty good size float. You can see how fast it's blowing it up. This thing works pretty good. It's nice and compact too. Push that in, and we're good to go. We're ready to rock. All right, this little pump's a must-have on your boat. This is a godsend. You don't have to blow it up by mouth. It's pretty inexpensive. Check the link in the description of this video. Shoot over to Amazon and check these out.